In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge's high memory usage on Windows. If you've ever experienced slowdowns while browsing due to Edge hogging your computer's memory, then this guide is for you. We'll explore several practical strategies to manage and mitigate this problem, ensuring you have a faster and smoother experience. To begin, let's dive into Microsoft Edge's built-in task manager. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer, then press Shift and ESC together. This key combination will bring up Edge's task manager, specifically designed to help you identify what components are consuming the most memory. Once you have the task manager open, carefully examine the list of active tabs and extensions. You'll want to pinpoint any that are using an excessive amount of memory. If you find any that stand out, simply click on them and select End Process to free up some of your system's resources. The next step involves reviewing your extensions. Click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and navigate to Settings, then Extensions. Here you can see all the extensions you have installed. If you recognize any that you no longer use or need, disable or remove them, as some extensions can run in the background and consume significant amounts of memory. Now let's enable efficiency mode in Edge. This feature optimizes how Edge uses resources. Go to Settings, then System and Performance, and finally Performance. There you'll find an option to enable efficiency mode. Activate this setting to help your browser manage memory usage more effectively. Additionally, you'll notice a setting called Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs. This feature allows Edge to put inactive tabs to sleep, reducing their memory footprint. If there are specific sites you prefer to leave out of this process, you can add them as exceptions. Another aspect of optimizing Edge's performance is controlling background processes. Head into System and Performance, navigate to System, and then disable the option that says continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. This step ensures that when Edge is not in use, it isn't unnecessarily consuming resources. Lastly, it's helpful to regularly clear your browsing data. To do this, open Edge and press Ctrl, Shift and Delete simultaneously. A window will appear. At a minimum, select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Be aware that this might log you out of some websites, so keep your credentials handy. Once you've made your selection, click Clear Now to complete the process. Following these steps should significantly improve your browsing experience by reducing Microsoft Edge's memory usage on Windows. With a well-managed browser, you can enjoy faster computing and a more efficient workflow. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.